Hey there, it's Kylie with WTI, and if you have pets, then you definitely need to check out this deshedding tool from MalsiPree. This brush can be used on cats and dogs. One side of the tool has this rake-style head, and it's great for getting out those mats in my cat's coat or any tangles. The other side has really fine teeth. It really works well for deshedding. Both sides work great on my two cats. You look at how much hair comes off of them when I use this tool. Honestly, it kind of makes me think that if I didn't have this tool, this hair would either end up on my furniture or in a big hairball that they would swallow. Not to mention it leaves their coat so nice and clean and soft. Like I said, this grooming brush is for cats and dogs, and I've had awesome success using it on both of my cats who are short hair, as well as my new pup who also has short hair. Finally, this brush is really heavy duty, it feels really sturdy, and I especially like the ergonomic design. So it's really comfortable for me to use overall, and my cats especially feel like they're being pampered. So we all know that pets shed, but this grooming brush from MalsiPree helps to keep the shedding at a minimum in our home. And believe me, with two cats and a dog, that's pretty awesome. And that's my point of view.